most important.
No commentary
Third
needed.
to play, Max Homa.
That's fine. Tucked amongst the pines there, the spruce.
And this right of the flag. Oh, oh, wow. What a shot to open the day.
He nearly flew that in the hole.
On display for Austin Cook. Now trying to improve his position from tie for 18th. He moves to -6, so yeah, he does.
Well done. NBC Sports Gold or Prime Video channels in the U.S. or Golf TV powered by the PGA Tour outside of the United States. Subscribe today and don't miss a shot this season.
Go ahead, ma'am. Go ahead. Go. Ma'am.
There have been some really big numbers, Billy, on a couple of holes out here.
How was contact, Johnny?
Yeah, pretty clean. This on a good line, trying to use the slope. That's a good shot from there.
Boy, that is. I mean, it sounded good.
Yeah, he's never thinking about it. I think you'd want to try to make this ball go to the right, but he's got a little slope to his right that may push this to the left. Tough putt to read.
Oh.
Good call. By the way, all of you Golf Channel Morning Drive fans, Robert Dameron will be joining us in a matter of moments.
Thing that gets going left is more than likely going to find that left bunker about 295 off the tee. Austin Cook. This one appears to be on a good line.
Yeah, good line. Thanks, just did it. Oh, catch lip?
Yeah, absolutely did. And that's going to be unlucky, too, rolling through the fairway into the tall stuff. Now, Austin Cook, Johnny, this does not look fun.
Now 91 yards downhill. This actually looks pretty good.
That's why he's a pro and I am not.
Yeah, absolutely stealing one.
All right, very well done.
Wow.
This one in the center of the green, turning toward the hole. That's a good shot. Nice smart play. That to the right a touch and then should be pretty straight from there. Oh, man, a good putt right there from Austin Cook.
Close one there. Cook will remain at 6 under par.
Also now with the driver for Austin. All right, looks like 3 pretty good ones here.
Yeah, all 3 of those tee shots really shaped well for this hole.
Imagine this is just a normal gap wedge is what he and his caddy were discussing. And this one's just right of the flag.
That's good.
A little more spin than he wanted, but not bad.
All right, so all 3 of those players will have a look at birdie.
And that one looked like a little bit of a push stroke from the start.
Yeah, it sure did. All right, we'll stay here. Max Homa, who had another terrific iron shot.
I have to say a tee shot that should fit his eye pretty well. Likes to kind of hit that little cut, and there's the quick tee pickup. So usually an indication of perfect, and it is.
Well done for Austin Cook. He'll be in the fairway on this par 5.
And that land this about maybe 3 or 4 steps on the green. This is carrying all the way past the hole. Not too bad there.
That was a pretty good shot after laying up. He had a poor layup into the right rough. So a good shot to this point.
Good line if it's enough. Nope.
Died off.
Yeah, you're still going to see the hole locations.
Just wind off the player's left and in their face. Austin as well going right. This is actually right of the bunker.
Okay. Another shot under par. Charles Howell III tapped in, but now Cook.
From 113, a good lie in this rough. Way in the air. Well, that one came out pretty hot over the green. That is not where you want to be as well.
Tap to see how steady it stays. Good. Really good.
Very nice there. A couple good up and downs so far today for Austin Cook. And this has started right at it, and it's holding its line just right of the flag.
Oh,
A foot right.
oh, you almost hold it on the opening hole today. This would be the first birdie, John, of that list of players we saw.
A formality there for Austin.
Tee at 9. Good par 4. Really a tough hole.
Played brutal yesterday.
Bringing this one in low, but he's pulled this one well left. Oh, that is going to be tough.
Yeah, you just got to dump it kind of right in there somewhere. And
Oh, this is brilliant play right here. Go in.
wow, in the front of the green.
He knows how important it is, though. Came in 144 FedEx Cup. He knows every point matters at this stage of the game.
Tee shot for Austin Cook on the way.
Going to be just fine up the right center there. And this one coming in much higher. Wind starting to get. This is a good shot.
Another one online. He's already stuffed a couple of iron shots today, but
There to the right, but Sepp's ball went pretty straight by the hole. It didn't continue to break.
Yeah, it looks like that really does carry it that way, does it not?
yeah, I was going to miss on the right and just not quite enough speed.
Yeah, that ridge just right of it did look like it was going to have a little pull the whole time.
All right, now Austin Cook on the tee at 11.
This one started up the left. He likes to fade it.
Thank you.
This is another solid looking iron shot for Austin. Ooh, he
shot.
is just swinging well with the irons for sure. A lot of good things happening, just needs to get some putts to fall. This one's got to travel.
Just not enough juice, Johnny. I can tell you guys, I'll leave a second.
Good look right there, left hand low.
Yeah,
No
very
problem.
solid.
I didn't see a lot of curvature in his shots.
And this one just up the right, turning a little. This should be a nice up the right center. Good shot.
Thank you.
Boy, this fairway's starting to release down that right-hand side.
Yep, 268 for Cook. Good angle here in this right side of the fairway. This one about the same line as Homa.
Ooh, a
Yeah,
little hop
two
over
really
the
good
bunker.
shots.
Little hop over the bunker. A couple of long eagle putts, but
Well,
should make birdie no problem.
So he's a full 4 shots back after beginning of the day, just 1 back. Now Austin Cook.
And this looks good.
Oh, boy, was that really good. Now he's got it aimed pretty much at the center of the hole. Yep,
Okay.
buried. Well, it almost jarred it on the 8th hole, and
As he's about 17 feet past. Wow, that was carrying a lot of speed. Austin Cook.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, he immediately didn't like that. It climbed the face of the club.
on. It's Chunk City out here at 13.
Wow.
Yeah.
Double bogey, and he was only, what, 25 feet away from the hole in 2, just off the green? I think I see his shadow there, and it's about to go away.
Good start line, good finish line.
Shot, Kevin.